Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you how you can save water every day doing one simple thing, and all you need is a bottle. It can be a plastic bottle, it can be a glass bottle, does not matter. So what you're going to do is, of course, drink the beverage in it. And then what you'll do is take it and you're going to take off the back of your toilet and you're just going to stick it inside. I'll show you a picture of ours. And all you do is just stick it in the side. You can put multiple in it, and every time you flush, the size of the bottle you have, you are saving that much water. Now you might be wondering, well, aren't I supposed to have that much water to flush? You actually don't need as much water to flush. There's a lot of water that just continues flushing on the average toilet. So by doing this, you're actually saving a little bit of water every time you flush, and it'll also save you a little bit more on your bills in the sense that your electrical pump won't be pumping for as long to pump the water in. Now it's very little, it's very minute. Some might say it's not worth it, but it's just a little thing you can do, whether you're in an apartment, whether you're in a house, does not matter, which is really awesome. So it's just a little thing that you can do. Obviously there's better ways to reduce water. For example, taking less showers, managing your outdoor water usage a little better. But this is one simple way you can do it. Shorter showers, not fewer. We don't need to stink up the world. It's already stinky as it is. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Also, please let us know that you've done it by commenting down below and saying that you've done it. And be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.